Alright guys, Georgia Jim. Got a challenge lock here from mgsecure called Zatōichi, I guess. Keys mummified, so let's see what happens. Okay, we gotta click on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 4, 'Just letting that counter rotation work. Number 5 up. I guess it's pin 6. Watch me be wrong, it's only 5-pin lock. That's pin 5, but let me check these others first. Pin 3 is kind of rotating. Okay, well, that was a good idea. All right, let's get this one gutted. We'll leave it mummified since he's got grub screws. All right. And this will be chamber 6. Okay. I guess he's got a drunk spool there. Basically two T-pins making a spool. I meant to put there we go. I wonder if that's the theme of this lock. All the pins are like this. Basically, like I said, drunken spools or two T-pins touching. Oop. No, okay. That fell. Man, I'm just smacking this tray around, knocking stuff around. Right. Looks like a standard on one. Everything else is either drunk spools or a couple homemade spools. We'll take the plug off and check the core. Probably should have done this first, but whatever. Will that work? There it goes. It's just a crappy follower. Alright. I guess we could have left that on. Doesn't look like anything was done to the chambers. So, yeah. Alright. Do a close-up of those pins. Just trying to get through this box of challenge locks that was sent to me by Trucking Lock. Appreciate them, trucker. Sorry it's taking so long for me to pick them. Alright, so we got drunken spools. Basically, you take two T-pins, put them together so it's one spool. But it behaves kind of weird, which is why they get that name. We got a homemade serrated barrelish on 2 and 4, standard on 1, and those drunken style spools on 3, 5, and 6. So that's Zatōichi from mgsecure. All right, thanks.